How was that day when you lost her? Were you at home?
Yeah, I was at home. So manje wagula for the longest time. So ngihlala naye ekhaya. So my siblings amanye ayengekho eseboarding school. So it was me and uSithabile lo onsemva wami and my dad. So we were taking care of her. Sometimes we were lapha eskoleni, one of us engayi uze emnakekela.
So when you were taking turns.
Yeah, sometimes.
Did they understand what the eskolweni, the dynamics ukuthi one has to remain at home while ubaba yophanda papa and all that? Was it something that was arranged?
I don't know, umzala wami wehlela nabo esikoleni. Kodwa phela sometimes I will find out ekseni ukuthi I don't have to go because the situation that time.
Yeah, maybe uSithabile uyabhala yena or something.
uSithabile mncane phela.
Oh yeah.
Mncane. Wayemncane kakhulu at the time futhi so wayiba khona nje kodwa phela but now uyazi wayikhona so nje lapha sometimes ekseni ugula kakhulu and then mina ukuthi ngisale ngikade so that mhlawumbe bekuwes that day so yeah nje wabe la ama experiences but nje yibona nje asikhulisa saqina nje sadlula la believe ukuthi uhleze nami that's why ihleze ngithi Thimbo lo fana semntuka lo ingane kaManquma lo so uhlezi nje khona silanje sikhona namhlanje
ngoba insikelelo
she's watching over us not me alone just sonke as a family.
I love that.
So yeah.
I love that and I'm rooting for you, man.
Thank you.
uManquma lo naye usibhekile phela uManquma lo yazi ngani yakho phela yakunakekela you know and I want to thank your stepmom umama lezinto zesilungu simbonga uma okhona because nowadays really it's so rare to find people like that kodwa ngifuna ubonga baba wakho kakhulu because une choice inqawa because sometimes like the power yomuntu wesifazane ebengakwenza ukuthi ubaba anishiye nini ekhaya. You know, Beganaye that upper hand of doing that, but she decided to be with you guys.
Yeah, true.
Siyakubonga lokho.
Kungekho lula kunzima.
You know, becoming an instant mom of many kids. Ongazi nokuthi bebekhuliswe kanjani, banemimoya enjani, but you're willing to be with them.
And actually, lokho ngizokusho, I don't know ukuthi ngikusho, but kuyangifikela ukuthi ngikusho ukuthi one of the things my mom did, like my stepmom was, and like I was doing first year. You guys attend then ngangena through and register and stuff but ke funding ngangawuthola ngaphakathi so ukwazi ukubuya in the following ke ungakhokhanga ama fees last year.
Yes,
so ingakayithuleki NSFAS so unqaba ngawuthola and then wire a bank she took a loan like I think if it's not 40,000 I don't know how we manage but I think it's 40,000 plus
for you.
Took the loan, paid my tuition there ngikweleta for the previous year ngangena that year and then ngathola ibasari and that year moving forward until ngiqede yabo so nje otherwise ngoba ngikho la ngoba lo mali leyo yadlala indima enkulu yabo cabanga ukuthi and loan phela ngithi uyikhokha.
I know.
So yeah, nje izinto lezo nje ngiappreciate ukuthi nje umsiza kakhulu ukuthi
siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu akugcine because lo bhuti lona fanele akuthatha yokubeka kule ndawo fanele akubeke kuyo you know because you deserve, you're a queen and I'm so impressed that uyile esikoleni.
Yes.
Ungodile ngoba phela sinalento ukuthi most of people they believe that if you've got a talent there's no need to go to school you uzophila ngetalent lakho. Tell me about indaba yakho yokuncwada.
Ngifundile mebesho I'm a qualified educator.
Yeah.
Ngiyasebenza njengothisha. This is my 7th year. Thanks for started 2018. Manje njengoba ngikule podcast nje ngisuka emsebenzini.
Oh wow. Interesting.
Emsebenzini then I came here. So nje nguthisha. Ngane ngifundisayo.
Ungangididi. Una 25 days usegoli.
Yeah.
Already uyasebenza.
Bengisebenza vele ngathi bengihlala eThekwini.
Yes.
So bengihlala eThekwini because the vision bisi inkulu engiphoqa ukuthi ngize ngala.
Did you feel iThekwini lincane for wena?
Not really.
Okay.
Not really.
It's just that your people were not there.
My people are there. ukuthi nje ngiyabuya kubona they my people yabo.
Okay.
No, not really, but I feel like Johannesburg there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of opportunities, a lot of nje in terms when it comes to entertainment. When it comes to other spheres of life, but when it's entertainment, this is an entertainment hub.
Yeah.
My podcast maningi media this is here. So that's why I chose to come in the culture abantu abathanda music ngala is vast compared to mhlawumbe kwezinye indawo.
Isibindi sakho but usuka eThekwini, was it something that you planned for a longest time? I mean, your family is there. How was it? How did you go about to approach the whole situation of ukusuka eThekwini uza eGoli? Have you been that person or uthola kakhulu support ekhaya from day one, the moment you were 9 starting this until this far? Ukuthi baze basho ukuthi go ngani yami go fly, because kuye kushiwo nenyoni ukuthi inyoni iye yakhe inest maseqedile mayiqeda ukuqhanisela amaqanda inika ama worms masebona ukuthi they are ready, it kicks off the nest. Is that how it happened with you?
Yeah, the support from home here. I would say support gets really kaya, but not when it comes to letting but not me blaming them. I understand that cool, but the support ngitholela khona ngoba ngize ngifunda nje ngiqeda is through support yabo and ungifaka lapha and kungisize kakhulu. So I wouldn't say abangisupportanga. So when it comes to the music thing, yeah, begleka khona, but not blaming them. Me understanding ukuthi abazali they come from the era le endala apartheid or whatever. So where our dreams are not possible, we just need to have to do what you have to do to survive, yabo. So ngalokho yabo. So bakuswa from that thing. So you understand ukuthi why mengikhula bengifuna lokho record benganginiki
understand,
but babengivumela ukuthi mengise ngiyaperforma.
Okay.
Okay, hamba.
So it's all support.
So I would say
it's just that it wasn't a priority to them.
Yeah, it wasn't a priority. Yeah. So gogo kwami shout out to gogo yena umuntu wayenginika imali yokurecord. Those days record last ngiqala nami singayenza lento because mina phela ukhokhela i-studio ukuthenga beats.
Yes.
So what 110 rand the time.
And kuyimalini manje?
Right now is kuhlukile ngabantu, but manje I have my own.
Yeah, but it's from how much when you're estimating maybe maqabanga out there, how much they pay?
Yo, I get to pay. Depends on ngezinto eziningi. Depends on nama relation umuntu onayo on equipment.
Yes.
So but nowadays like 500 up. Just for recording, not the beats, not the mixing and mastering. Depends ukuthi ukuphi level ufuna ukwenza on which level.
I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
So Namvele was coming up, so it was 110 to the beats, to the record.
Okay.
And kokwami mina I used to save 10 rand from packet yami. Ugogo mayihola ngangazi mayihola kuphela inyanga zonginika lo 10 rand, 100 rand.
Yeah.
Would be 110, then I will go to the studio. So ngangazi each month ngizobona ingoma entsha each month. So inyanga yonke I'll be writing a song with no beats, just lyrics.
Yeah.
And then ngifika ngikho 110 i-beat ishawe same time record and then I will have a song ngihambe ngiyoperform ekhaya. So yeah, so i-support ngangithola kuyena kakhulu gogo. Nakubona abazali bangisupport. So moving to ukuze eGoli vela ade kahambe ekhaya bangibuza ngebhongoka bangibiza ngomgulukudu but ade bangibiza ngomgulukudu waseThekwini.
Yes.
Ngoba nje kade khamile ekhaya ngami ngo-2009. It was ngangiyofuna ePoland school.
Yes.
So ngaqala nje like my high school life.
Waba independent ever since then.
So from there varsity life, from there ngasebenza. So nje sebeyaka bayazi nje ukuthi vele, you know. So even me saying ukuthi ngiyegoli, I was okay. Alright, nje ube safe, hey, goal salsa.